In this question, different blocks and groups in the periodic table are given in list 1 and some of the elements are given in list 2. We have to match the list 1 with list 2. The first one is given as cerium. Cerium is a lanthanide with atomic number 58. And the second one is given as arsenic. Arsenic is a p block element and the atomic number is 33. The third one is given as cesium. Cesium belongs to the S block and which is a metal with an atomic number 55. And the last one is given as manganese. This belongs to the transition metal with atomic number 25. So from these options we can write the correct order as given here. That is, cerium is a lanthanide, arsenic is p block element, cesium is S block element and manganese is a D block element. So from these options, correct answer is option C.